Hi everyone, it's Morgyn from For the Love of Paper, and I am here with another unboxing video. This one's a little bit different as this was a kit that I purchased as part of Soul Journey 2018, which is a free online class for the year run by Annette from Art and Soul Studio. And it's basically an art class. I think there's 20 teachers and tutors giving us weekly prompts and videos and whatnot to create art basically. And as part of that, there's a lot of things to do with like mental health and being one with yourself and helping you get through different things, difficult periods in your life. So there's a bit of a big focus on that. As part of that, she put together these kits. Now, I believe that all of the stuff in these kits was donated from various companies and from Annette herself. She paid for the postage, and I'm sure she donated some of this as well. It cost $50 for this, and all the proceeds are going to some really, really awesome charities. I can't remember what they are off the top of my head, but I will leave links to them in the description box below. I'll go and get that information. And yeah, so I thought that was a great cause to be supporting for this. I have struggled with some things in the past myself, and thought this was a great way to give back and also better myself and learn some new art along the way. So this is the $50 kit that we get. I don't know if there's any left on the website or not. I will leave a link to the Art and Soul Studio in the description box below. Anyway, if there's some left, grab one. If you want to join the Soul Journey group, I can leave a link to the group as well if you wanted to join that. So I just thought I'd go through and show you what's in the kit. I know Raylene has posted one as well, and I know that some of our products are a little bit different. We've got the same product range but different colors and things like that. So here we go. I've rambled enough. 2 minutes is enough for ramble. I will open it all up. So we'll start at the bottom. So we get this sheet of watercolor paper. I'm not sure how thick that is, but it seems pretty thick. I'm not going to take it out of the cellophane. And there's also this ruler on here, which is always handy. Never go wrong with a ruler. And then we got this Express It Mixed Media Journal, and I'm pretty sure Express It was one of the big sponsors and providers for some of the goodies in the kit. And this is a mixed media journal. It's A5 size, 300 GSM, and you get 30 pages. Well, 15 pages, 30 double-sided. That's so super thick and lovely. I can't wait to start using that. Right. We got a set of 5 premium art brushes. So there we go. That's a really, oh God, that's a teeny tiny tip. I don't even know if that's going to come up on the screen. So those would be good to use. You always need new brushes. We got these Faber-Castell Art Grip pencils. So these are the triangle shaped pencils, and I got a blue one and a green one, which is super cool. I have not used these ones before. I know my son uses triangle pencils at school, so that will be very different. Can't wait to have a go at that. We've got a paint palette, a pair of scissors, always handy. What is this? A detailer tip. Oh, it's a brush H2O pen. I've got one here that's out of the packet, so that's what it is. Oops. This one's obviously being used, but so it'll have a tip like that. It's a brush tip. So it's like a paintbrush, but you can fill it up with water and use it for your watercolors and things like that. Next up, we've got this big fat brush. This is a number 1 flat bristle brush. What else have we got? A couple more tools in here. We got 2 of these. I'll move this down so you can see it all. A couple of these pipettes. Use those. We've got 2 like sketch pencils, I think. Hard Myth. Okay, we've got a 3B and a B size pencil. And we've got some Posca pens. I actually needed one of these the other day, so this would have been really handy to have about a week ago. So we've got the black and the white in the Posca pen, and they're really good for adding detail to your art journal pages. Once you've put all the ink and mixed media down, you can go over the top with these. So those will be super duper handy. We got a big bottle of, this is 75 milliliters of white medium body acrylic paint. We got 2 small tubes of the Jo Sonja's matte fluid acrylic. This one is yellow green. I'm going to take, whoa, sorry, things falling down all over the place here. This is an awesome color. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Oops, can't get the lid back on. And then this one is ultramarine deep blue. So there we go, that one. So I like that I've kind of got a blue-green thing going on here with the pencils and the paints. Then we got pencil sharpener, 2 erasers. So this one's one of those kneadable erasers. And the last, but not, oh, actually no, there's one more thing that's over there. So these ones are, this is what is it? Dervain? I can't pronounce it. Liquid pencil. I've never used this. This one says it's permanent and blue color. It's quite a dark, it's kind of a grey blue. You probably can't see that, but it is a grey blue. And then this one is a re-wettable. So I don't really know what the difference between these two are. I might have to go and have a bit of a Google to see what those are. And this one is yellow. Oh, it says it. Oh, okay. So it's kind of great. I'm going to have to really go and have a look at these, because it's kind of, I wouldn't call that yellow. So there must be a trick to these. I'm going to go and have a look. And last but not least, we got some Pearl X powder. And this one is Interference Red. Isn't that an amazing name? So, let's see if I can open that up. Oh, it probably has a little lid on it, won't it? Can't really tell the color, but there you go. So that's some powder that I'm pretty sure you mix this with water and you can put it on your page. And that is everything I got in my kit. I'm so excited. I can't wait to get started and use this. The first prompt's already been up for a week. They haven't had a chance to craft. But yeah, I will leave links to the Charities, to Art and Soul Studio, to the Facebook group below. If you would like to join us on this journey, that would be amazing. I will be trying to do it. I want to do it every week, but I know, well, we've already had 2 weeks in the year already and I haven't posted anything. So I will be trying to post some of my process videos for things that I create along the way. I want to do it weekly, but I don't know if I'll be able to, so I won't commit to that, but I will be sharing some of them anyway. So that's all from me, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you next time. Bye!